In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a document in Google Docs. If you've ever worried about losing your work, Google Docs makes saving incredibly simple. In fact, it does most of the work for you. As you type, Google Docs continuously saves your changes to your Google Drive. You'll see a small cloud icon at the top of the page that lets you know your document is safely stored. When it says that all changes are saved, you can relax. Here is nothing extra you need to click to keep your progress. Sometimes, though, you need a copy on your computer. To download a local copy, go to the top menu and click File. Then choose Download. You'll see several formats you can pick from. Microsoft Word is great if you are sharing with someone who uses Word and might need to edit the file. PDF is perfect when you want a fixed professional layout that looks the same everywhere. Plain text gives you a clean formatting-free version that's ideal for basic text or when another system needs a simple file. After you pick the format, your browser will save the file to your usual downloads location and you can move or share it like any other file on your device. If your goal is specifically a PDF, here is another quick way that keeps the layout consistent. Go to File, then Print. In the Print window, change the destination to Save as PDF. This tells Google Docs to generate a PDF version of what you are seeing in the preview. It's a fast approach when you want to lock in the look of your pages for sharing, posting, or archiving. There are also times when you want a fresh version of the same document without changing the original. To create a duplicate, go to File and select Make a Copy. This creates a new document in your drive with the same content so you can experiment, track versions, or share a separate copy without affecting your main file. That's the core of saving in Google Docs. Automatic saving to drive as you work, downloading a local copy when you need one, exporting a PDF for a polished, uneditable version and making a copy to branch your work. Use the option that best fits how you plan to share or store your document and you'll always have the right version at your fingertips. Thanks for watching.